Swaylin.
Oh, I'm Ransha.
I'm Luke, and we are currently doing Creative Media and Production Level 3.
I think like practicing with these new things, like these new cameras and stuff, it's gonna help us get ready to go in the industry. It's gonna give us the experience, so we'll be experienced with like all these new like professional stuff, and it's gonna allow us to increase like our skills and our abilities. It's gonna help us a lot in the film industry.
I think it's like a really good opportunity to practice what they preach in the official media world, and actually being able to use the stuff that they use to produce Hollywood level projects, so then we can look back at them in the future and go, that was our first.
I think most excited to use like the Blackmagic camera, because as I saw, it has a lot of sayings and I'm not really familiar with it, but it looks very interesting, so just very excited to use it.
I actually do agree with Swaylin. I'm actually excited to use the cameras too. It's really interesting to work with new cameras in level 3.